Okay, my friend, so how to make money with a ClickBank, how to promote your affiliate link without a website. With this video, guys, I want to show you how to choose your product and how to promote your ClickBank affiliate link. You don't need a domain, you don't need a website, you don't need a list or email marketing or video marketing. I will make this video very slowly so you can understand how to choose your product and how to promote your product. I will show you two ways so you can use it to promote your ClickBank affiliate link. All you have to do is copy my method and take action. Just take action, don't delay. Okay, so let's start first. Let's go to a ClickBank. ClickBank, okay. Okay, this is the website, a ClickBank website. If you don't have a account, you can click here, create account and make free account. It's free account, my friend. You can make your free account and start promote your affiliate link and make commission and make money. Okay. If you don't have an account, you can click here, create account, and you have to put some details here and create your free account. Okay, it's free, everyone can do it and make a free account. Okay, so first let's go to login. I already have account with ClickBank, so let's go to login. Okay, now you can see here, this is the dashboard, your ClickBank account. This is the dashboard. Now all you have to do is choose your product. So all you have to do is you have here marketplace. Let's click marketplace. And you will get this page. Okay. So like you see here, you have a different niche in the side, a lot of niche and sub niche. Okay. If you click here, you can get sub niche. There is unlimited a lot of niche that you can use it and use your product and promote and make money. Okay, my favorite niche is e-business and e-marketing. Okay, you can see e-business and e-marketing. All you have to do is click here in the site and you will get some niche. Okay, then you have you can click here. This is my favorite niche, affiliate marketing. So let's click affiliate marketing. Now we have here some product that we can choose and promote. First, you have here sort results B. So click here for gravity. Okay. Now we have gravity and some product. Okay. Some product that we can use. Okay, for this video, guys, I will choose one product, a very convert product, very good product, and I am using this product like you can see here. This is my favorite product. Let's visit this product. This product is for E1 Chia. Okay, this is a fantastic product. I like this product. Okay, so let's close this page right now and back to our product. Okay, now like I said in the beginner, I will show you two ways to promote your affiliate link. So let's start. Way number one, first let's choose our link. So all we have to do is click here, promote, and we will get a new Windows. Okay, new Windows. Then we have here create. Okay, so all we have to do is create. Now we have this link. Remember, not this link. This is not our link. This is our link in the top. Okay, this is our link in the top. So all we have to do is Control C, click, copy, click to copy. Okay, copy and close the windows. Let's save this link here. Okay, this is our link right now. Okay, now all we have to do is just take this link and go to, you can type on Google, safe traffic rotator.com, and you will get this a new website. You can advertise your link using this website. You can see, are you looking for fast, cheap advertising for your website or your affiliate link? If you want to build your list, this is a very, very cheap traffic, my friend. So all you have to do is put your email, your name, and your site. Okay, like I said, you don't need a domain. Okay, this is our affiliate link. Choose your package and click here and make your order. Okay, this is one way that you can use to promote your affiliate link and get a massive traffic to your affiliate link. And the second way, my friend, let's close this Windows right now. The second way that you can promote your link is using media buying. So how to use media buy? We need first we need a banner. Okay, so let's back to our product. Okay, remember this is our product. All you have to do is click and open it one more time and go to the end of the product. Okay, I see there is no affiliate here in the end. but it's okay. I will show you how you can found your affiliate program for this product, affiliate tools. Okay, we need the affiliate tools, and I will show you exactly uh, how to get affiliate tools for this product. So let's close it first, and you can see here, okay, this is our product, and you can see here a link. Okay, this is the link that we need. So let's copy and put in our browser. So we'll get the affiliate program. Okay, we have to put our name, email, and sign up now. Okay, I already sign up for this program. So all you have to do is click here, sign up again, and we will get this page. Okay, we need this page. Why? Because we will use a banner, so we need a banner, and like you see, we have here the banner that we need. This is our size. Okay, 468 to 60. This is our ad. So first we have to save this banner on our computer. Okay, so first you have to save. Let's save this banner in our computer. Okay, now I have this banner in my computer like this. Okay, this is a very good banner, like you see. Okay, so I have right now a banner in my computer in my new folder, and now I will show you how to promote your link. Do you remember we already have our affiliate link, and now we have also banner. That's all we need to promote our affiliate link in the second way. Okay, so let's start. Let's go to advertise.com. This website, like you see, advertise.com. Now let's log in. Don't go to advertisers, don't go to publishers. You don't need to do nothing with advertisers or a publisher. You don't need this. Okay, all you have to do is just go to search here in the top and type ClickBank. Okay, and enter, and you will get some results, 4 results that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Okay, so how this work? All you have to do is click one of these results. You can see unique visitors, over 14,000 visitors every single day. So let's click this website, and you can see here 13 days, this size of banner, $10, and this size 13 days, $10, and this size, this is our size. Okay, 468 to 60. Remember, this is our banner. So all we have to do is click here, buy now, and we will get this page. Okay, so first here we have to put our affiliate link. So let's go to our affiliate link, copy, Control C, and put in the on this inbox. Now remember, we have here the http// so we don't need this here, okay? So all you have to do is just delete http// okay? That's one thing. And here you can type your campaign name. So let's say 20 CB20. Okay. Now the date, you have to change the date to tomorrow. Okay. You can't start today, so you have to change to tomorrow. So change it to tomorrow. And now you have to choose your banner. Okay. Remember, we have our banner in our computer. This banner. Okay, so let's take it. Let's take our banner. Okay, we have to find it. One moment, I forget where is my banner. Okay. One moment. Okay, here is our banner, and all you have to do is just click upload. Okay, now we have, like you see here, your link, my link in this case, and my banner. Okay, very good. Now all you have to do is click next step, and we will get this page. Okay, all you have to do is buy this banner, and then you will get approved after 24 hours, and then you will get traffic from this website. Now remember, if you want to promote your ClickBank, you can click just here, ClickBank, and enter, and you will get some results. Okay, so you can promote your website. If you can also, if you want to promote your CPA offer, you can click here CPA, and you will get some results, and you can use these websites to promote your affiliate link. Okay, remember, you don't have to go to advertisers, and you don't have to go to publisher. I recommend to you to go to search, make a search for a ClickBank or CPA or a Warrior Plus, okay, and make your advertise, and I hope you will succeed with your business. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching this video, and good luck. Thank you very much.